Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Resign and appoint administrator on Goa Dairy. Furious dairy farmers want Goa Dairy management. Show strong inclination towards Sumul. Babush experiments again. Replaces Avinash Bhosle with Asmita Kerkar in Ward number 22. Congress to declare candidates on Thursday. No nominations on day 2. International racket involved in ATM thefts in Goa. Goan account hacked and money withdrawn from Bulgaria. Dead body of Nabraj found in Chikali. Nabraj with 3 friends was partying on Sunday night. 3 friends missing, phones off. Ponda shopkeepers up in arms against shop rent in Newmarket. Petition High Court. High Court directs petitioner to serve private notice to Ponda municipality. And Confidence Sporting Club de Goa face bottom place Salgaonkar FC in I-League Derby on Thursday. We are focused, says sporting coach Matthew Costa. And now the news in detail. Dairy farmers have warned Goa Dairy to appoint an administrator or else they will opt for Sumul. Goa Dairy special general body meet on Wednesday witnessed heated verbal tussles between the management and the societies. Farmers are afraid that minutes of the meeting might be manipulated. Farmers, while demanding better quality feed for cattle and a better rate for milk on the lines of Sumul, pressed for an inquiry into alleged scams in the dairy. However, the panic-struck dairy wants to move court against the entry of Sumul.
Goa Dairy has newly appointed 72 extra staff beyond its affordability. Societies raised their voice against management in the special general body meeting on Wednesday. But Goa Dairy management shielded its side by saying that meeting was exclusively called to discuss about Sumul Dairy's entry in the state and its proposed threat to the state's premier dairy. Meeting witnessed heated moments when farmers grilled management. Farmers are upset with the cattle feed provided by Goa Dairy and have advised management to resign and let government appoint an administrator. Farmers voiced their arguments during the meet.
की एनिमल हजबंड्री आमच्या फंड आमचे द्या पकडे फॉर्म आमच्या द्या कोण आमच्या काय नको असणार आधारभूत किंमत आज 8 महिन्यांपर्यंत तुमचं रेट जाता त्याचं कारण किती आणि सुमुला आधारभूत किंमत 30 दिवसांनी मिळते पण तुमचं काय दो आणि जे कोणी एमडी असतात त्यांचे आमचा डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर कोण असा पाकिस्तान कोण पेपर करून त्यांनी सगळ्यांनी वचून ताका रिक्वेस्ट करची की आम्ही जाय जाल्यार सगळे राजीनामे दिता तू जाय तो तुका बोर्ड अपॉइंट कर जाय ते एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपॉइंट कर आणि आमकां थुंकून हांगा येवपा पासून वाचय त्याचे जर पाण्यार जर आमी घातले डिफेन्स मिनिस्टराच्या तेचो काही येदो व्हडलें आसा की ते सगळे जे कितें सुविधाची प्रक्रिया जाल्या ती सगळी स्टॉप करतले
Goa Dairy has taken a strong cognizance of Sumul's proposed expansion plans in Goa. Panicked dairy board is now planning to approach the court against Sumul.
सुमुलाक हो विरोध करपाचो चल्ला आनी सुमुलाच्या धर्तीर शेतकऱ्यांकूय सुद्दां दर दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करपाचो संचालक मंडळान त्याच बरोबर सायड बाय सायड लिगल सुद्दां प्रोसिजर सुरू करचो लिगल एडवायस घेतले काय लिगल कोर्ट
रेटीचेर आमी वचपा खातीर आमचे आतां प्रयत्न सुरू आसा आनी आमी ते करपाक सोदता आमचे फार्मर जे आसा न्ही ते गोवा डेरी कडेन इतली सामके एटॅच आसा आनी घरगुती हेणे आसा आनी आयज तेंची जर भावना पळयली जाल्यार आमच्या गोवा डेरी सोडून ते दुसरे कडेन वचपा तेंच्या मनाक विचार ना.
Sumul has a capacity to capture 45% of market of Goa dairy in Kankon, Sangay, Kepe and Sattari. Agitated farmers slammed Goa dairy management during special general body meeting. Board approach was too vague as it stuck only on Sumul issue. Goan dairy farmers are now planning to opt for Sumul. Though dairy board now speaks of paying the farmer on the lines of Sumul, nothing is concrete. And if it succeeds in doing so, can it be done keeping milk rates unchanged? And despite this, the question of substandard cattle feed, poor medical facilities remains. Seems the dairy board is yet to learn a lesson. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Babush Montserrat is still in experimentation mood as he has changed his candidate from ward number 22. Babush has replaced Avinash Bhosle with Asmita Kerkar in ward number 22. Manisha Manerkar is ward number 23 candidate for Babush. While Congress is still contemplating on the final list of candidates, the list has hit a roadblock as there are more than 2 aspirants in every constituency. After Luisino Falero's final nod, Congress candidates will be declared on Thursday.
Babush will field Manisha Manerkar from ward number 23. Babush has already declared his candidates from 29 wards. He has replaced Avinash Bhosle from ward number 22 with Asmita Kerkar. Babush-led panel will file nominations on Thursday.
Manisha Bhavani Das Manerkar is for ward number 23, OBC. And ward number 22, I have changed Avinash Bhosle to Asmita Sandesh Kerkar.
changes
I told you, I wanted someone better than the original candidate I had. It was a stopgap arrangement which I had made where ward number 22 was concerned. We are filing a nomination tomorrow, all 30. Yeah. Messages we are receiving for a progressive Panjim and a green and clean Panjim. Okay, that will be our main motto. Will be that. Basically, this manifesto will be for the future. Still, we are working on the manifesto. Manifesto basically we will be projecting what Panjim was and what Panjim has become and what we will make Panjim to be.
Babush has declared all his candidates while BJP is halfway. Congress is yet to finalize its list. Luisin Falero will declare the list of Congress candidates on Thursday. Meanwhile, there were no nomination filed by any of the candidates on the second day. Bureau Report, Prudent.
One person, Nabraj Dangi's dead body was found behind a building at the airport road in Chikali. It is known that there were 4 friends partying in Vasco on Sunday night. Cousins of Nabraj registered a complaint with Vasco police as deceased had not reached home after Sunday night. Cousins informed that Nabraj was partying with his 3 friends. His 3 friends are currently not available for interrogation and their mobiles are switched off.
Nabraj's dead body was found on Wednesday when a labor went to dispose of garbage behind a building. There was a foul smell emitting from the area. He saw a decomposed body and informed the police.
मेरे को फोन करके मैं इधर बैठा है दोस्तों के साथ मैं आएगा ऐसा फ़ोन किया. मैं ड्यूटी में था. मैं इंतज़ार करता करते रात हो गया. बाद में बहुत टाइम हो गया तो आया नहीं. मैं फिर उसको फ़ोन लगाया तो स्विच ऑफ.
कितने लोग बैठे थे?
होता है 3 लोग. अभी नाम दिया ना उनका.
Nabraj was from Nepal and was residing at Chikli. His cousins informed that he along with his 3 friends had gone for partying on Sunday night. As he didn't reach home, they informed the police.
सुबह 10 बजे उसके बाद में शाम को 6:30 बजे उसका भाई को फ़ोन किया, कजन भाई को. तो बोला इतना लोग के साथ मैं बैठा हूँ, इतना लोग के साथ बैठ के मैं दारू पी रहा हूँ शाम को 6:30 बजे. उसके बाद में आधा घंटा फ़ोन कट किया. आधा घंटे के बाद में उसका भाई जो उसको बैग खोल किया तो उसका फ़ोन नहीं लग रहा था, स्विच ऑफ. उसके बाद में उस रात से जो उसके साथ में बैठता था 3 लोग वो भी नहीं. तो हम उसको ड्यूटी में गया और वहाँ पे ड्यूटी में भी नहीं. इससे पहले डायरेक्टर मर्डर नहीं बोल सकते किसी. तो वहाँ आके हम रजिस्ट्रेशन करके अभी यहाँ पे आ रहा था तो ये कैसे मालूम गिरा? यहाँ से फ़ोन करने के बाद में फ़ोन किया ना, जब हम तो तुरंत निकला था। काम कहाँ करते?
3 friends are Prakash Katak, Janak Kesi and Krishna Pun. All these friends are not at their residences. Their mobile phones are also switched off. Currently, police are investigating into the case. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
The investigation of CyberCell has revealed that an international hackers group is involved in the ATM hacking case. Many customers of Dena Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank have been duped by lakhs of rupees. It has also been revealed that a common accused has hacked all the ATMs. Now it has come to notice that the money from both the accounts were withdrawn from Bulgaria. Axis Bank is yet to file the complaint with the CyberCell. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.